Kap, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum. Pwede po kayo magpakilala?
Yes po, I'm ang Manabilang Barambangan, the punong barangay of Barangay Raya Madaya 1, Marawi City.
Yes, Kap. Pwede niyo kami kwentuhan sa current situation dito sa inyong barangay?
Yes po, as of now po, we have paunti-unti na pong bumabalik yung mga residente namin despite of the current situation na after the siege, which is yung iba naghihintay pa ng compensation pay para makapag-build ng bahay, pero yung iba naman po bumabalik na rin po dito.
Oh, alhamdulillah. So ano po yung panganay source of income po ngayon ng mga tao dito sa inyong barangay?
Of course, yung iba po fishing, and then yung iba po konti na lang po yung sa farming, and then yung iba po business
and professionals po.
And professionals,
yes po. So with regards naman po sa peace and order, mapansin namin kahit gabi, pwede na kayo maglakad dito very peacefully. Anong ginagawa niyong initiative?
Bali po, binalik po namin yung mga organizations namin such as BIPAT po here in Raya Madaya 1. Bali, in-encourage po namin yung mga BIPAT namin na umuwi dito para 24/7 pa rin ang security ng barangay despite ng maraming magnanakaw ng mga materyales or iba't ibang napapakinabangan ng mga magnanakaw. 24/7 naman po silang nakaalalay with the partnership of the PNP here na naka-assign dito sa Raya Madaya 1.
Wow! With regards naman po sa anti-terrorism natin, kamusta po yung support natin?
Yes, the anti-terrorism, we just had a workshop seminar together with the police, PNP ng Marawi, together sa mga BIPAT namin and other volunteers from Raya Madaya 1 for the proper management of the anti-terrorist act, such as kung example may mga gusto silang i-report, how to legalize that reports, together with the AFP. They helped us in managing the BIPATs also to paano sila mag-roam around dito sa barangay, paano nila makuha ng suspicious na mga tao dito. Yes.
So with regards sa health, ano pong ginagawa natin case sa emergency? Ano yung mga initiatives natin sa ating natulong para sa ating mga constituents?
Bale, sa mga emergency purposes naman po, we are actively engaging sa mga organizations natin sa barangay such as the women's and children's and senior citizens. Bago lang po sa health namin, this year lang po, last May, we had the Tabang program here in our barangay, which accommodated almost 900 people na nagbigay ng free consultations and medicines, free tuli, and free dental checkups.
Do you have any barangay health center dito po?
As of now, we have barangay health center, but it is not fully functional kasi wala pang gamit or anything. Pero the structural is ready. Okay po.
Kasi malapit ka naman kayo sa hospital po, yes. Diba? So, with regards naman po sa ating solid waste management, anong araw yung paglilinis natin? At saan natin itinatapon yung ating basura?
Yes po. Bali, as of now po, we have a monthly barangay waste management. Nag-rotating kami monthly for the requirement also sa MILG. Bale, actively ang mga BIPAT at ang mga members ng barangay na naglilinis sa community. The proper waste management naman po, we have outside the barangay hall for the proper waste disposal of the recyclable materials such as the plastics and cans and everything. We have a schedule for the waste disposal of the different households ng mga basura.
Saan po natin dinidispose ang ating basura?
Bale, we have coordinated for the city government. Bale, kinukuha na lang po nila dito waste.
Okay, so any panawagan po natin or gustong iparating sa national government?
Yes, first of all, we are very thankful and we are giving thanks to the national government sa support ninyo sa Marawi. Because kahit may nangyaring Marawi siege, hindi nyo kami pinabayaan for the Marawi compensation bill and other agencies na tumulong for the improvement and the rehabilitation of the most affected areas such as here in my barangay, Ramadeo.
Anything po na gusto niyong hingi ng tulong sa kanila?
As of now po, livelihood for the mga IDPs sa permanent shelter because nahihirapan po sila sa financially kung paano nila bubuhayin ang kanilang pamilya after the Marawi siege. Since nawala yung mga business nila, hindi na sila maka-cope up sa financial stability as of today.
Yun lang.